Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. We're going to keep this a rather high level, but Google has changed its search algorithm, and you might have heard the term Bert. Take a quick look at that. Right, so Google went ahead and put this out, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. But basically, it's a changing to, and I'll give you the technical term for Bert, it's bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. Really, if you want to keep that simple, what it is that Google is taking a deeper look at the text on your website, right? Or on any site. Okay, so you can go ahead and read all this out if you want and get all the technical stuff. But in short, what it means is, if we go back to the search example, in here, what does it really mean for a business owner? Well, if your site has good content-rich information, you're probably going to see that the Google business listing and or your organic search listing, right, has come up. If you don't have good quality text and content on your website, it's probably going to have gone down, right? And this is as of late 2019. So bottom line, what should a business owner take away from this? Number one, check your ranking. If you have a web developer that you're working with or an SEO company that you're working with, you should get in touch with them and ask to take a look at the ranking, right? Number one, that lets them know that you know that something's changed. Also allows you to build a plan for how to solve this. If, let's say, you're doing a certain search for any given service in any given town, that you'll see how your ranking is, right? That's what's going to be important so that you can bring your ranking back up if it's needed. All right, I hope this helps in you understanding just a little bit about Google's search algorithm change for Bert and some possible things that you could do to help yourself out. If you'd like more help, you can certainly come over to BTFOOM.com and contact us. We have worked through all of the current clients that we have, and we've solved any of the issues that are in there. Just to give you a real quick, any of them that are regular ongoing clients, like weekly, there's no problem. We've actually gained in rank for all of those. For those which are just task clients and weren't doing regular updates and building content rich on their website and on their business listing, that ranking has gone down. So that might help you knowing what you do and what you might need to do in the future. Again, you can always come over to btfoom.com, contact us if you need more information. Thanks. Hope this helps.